Hi guys, it's Derek with Diamonds. I have some unboxings for you. There's one. And here is two. And I have a round and a square for you today, guys. These both were from the Halloween drop. So we're going to get into, I've been doing a lot of Insquerero kits, so we're going to switch it up a bit. This kit was unboxed, so I'm not going to get into detail with it. But I wanted to share my goodies with you guys. So guys, we have two of my favorite artists I'm showing you today. This one, she has grown on me. So let me see if I can get the image in the viewfinder for you. I got Pomona by Michajelina. Look at the color. Michajelina is known for her rounds. So there's the toolkit. Here's the logbook sticker, which I will be putting that on the end of my box. So, I was going to wait till the other kit comes, but so here's your washi tape, little seashell, your squishy, your stopper, and your tray. And you have your caddy of wax that wants to participate. So each piece of wax, you will want to peel the plastic up, because if you do not, you won't get far. I'm only showing one. I'm only going to be doing the full shebang once. With a round, you do not get tweezers. So here's your blue pen, thing of baggies. So I am actually going to be doing a video for this. To see if you get enough baggies now for your diamond painting. But for now, I'm just going to show you the goods. So we're going to go ahead and put this on the box. I'm curious about this one because this was in the voting. And this one, I was quick with the fingers to vote because I'm big into witches. But they did something a little different with this one. So guys, since I showed you the image already, look at the color of the apples. I think they're about to do something really funky. I did hear on the Diamond Painting VIP Facebook group that they are switching boxes. So I cannot wait. she is stunning. I love everything about this thing. Their canvases are becoming more, what's the word I'm looking for? Rugged. So I'm going to turn her this way because she will fit on my table. So there are 37 colors. So if you see the letter Z at the end, that is a fairy dust. So we have 2 fairy dust, a rhinestone, and 2 ABs. So let's get into these fabulous drills, why don't we? And guys, Michaelgelina is known for her 310. Here is my first Z crystal. They cut it off the bag for me. See an AB already. There's your first AB 132. Here's my next AB. You know me, I always so my ABs already. I'm missing 1 fairy dust in my crystals. Sorry about the coughing, guys. I'm still battling it. Here's your gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous crystal. Now, we have a green fairy dust. And I kind of remember has this. No. No. Yeah, found it. So I'm used to Micah Jelina's kits having a lot of drills, special drills, and this one does not. So I'm gonna speed through this as fast as I can. So we're gonna jump right into the crystals, which are these beauties. So dig up my pointer here. It is highlighting the top of the hat here, going all the way down. So that is it for that one. $120 is highlighting all her hair, spots in her corset, as well in her skirt, up in her, there's none in her hat. Like the buckle has the fairy dust, as well on the brim of the hat, as well as here, down here, through here. They're kind of highlighting a lot of spots. And then the orange AB is kind of in pieces of the moon, as well as highlighting around it, as well as the AB. So that is that one. So this is the thank you booklet you get. This is a thank you from the founder, Angie. This tells you what's included in your kit in 3 different languages. Get a little coupon code at the bottom. This is tips and tricks. Over here, step-by-step instructions. On the very back, you can download the app. Your first time you order from the app, you get 20% off. And then over here, if you scan that QR code right there, it will a video will pop up and show you how to diamond paint. And down here, it will send you a link right to the VIP Facebook group. So there is that. Now, the next one is just next one. I know when my husband watches this video, he's going to lose his asthma. Because he's going to be screaming like a little girl. Man, he's going to want me to do that kit. I know it. You know he is. So I am trying to get my Micah Jelina's back. I'm kind of strictly focusing on the artists I like. So now, if you can't tell, this is a square. This kit. Give me a minute, guys. So guys, I am big into pumpkins, so this kit I had to get. So here's the toolkit. I'm only going to be showing you the cover minder and the washi, but I will show you. So you get a 4-placer and 7-placer in every toolkit. Here are your branded tweezers, and you have your matching pin. And now, here is your cover minder and your washi. Now remember, don't forget to take the plastic off, or you're not going to get anywhere fast. And every Diamond Art Club comes in a branded Diamond Art Club Do What Makes You Sparkle canvas bag. So I do put mine back in their bags. But we're going to get in this really quickly. So I can't wait for him to see his face when he sees me unbox this. So, before I show it to you, I'll show you my other image. So I got the Siam Night by Insquero. So she is sitting on, in like an altar. There is her cauldron. Here are the pumpkins. Here are the coffins, right? The headstones. Those are the woods in the background. This has 1 fairy dust, 1 crystal, and 4 ABs. So, and it also comes with a logbook sticker. This will go on the end of my box. So you guys ready to see it? Okay. So I'm gonna flip her over, but I'm gonna flip her this way. So, give you a tour of the canvas. So up here, it says, Do What Makes You Sparkle Diamond Art Club with their lovely little diamond emblem. Then, on the left and the right, you have a schematic. So we're gonna scroll all the way down here. And before I do, let's zoom in a little bit. So right over here is your style number and the title. How many inches and how many centimeters. It's copyrighted by Insquero as well as Diamond Art Club. over here, if you want to post progress, use hashtag Diamond Art Club as a discount code at the bottom. They have a Facebook and an Instagram. And your canvas has a lifetime warranty if it is coming straight from DAC. This is a little longer than what you usually see. And Rachel Ray was the one that unboxed this one. I'll show you. I know exactly what she means because I have every Inscriero image. There's not much of a face in this image, which I'm kind of liking. This image has a lot of line blocking, a lot of color blocking. I'm loving the detail on the pumpkins, as well as the candle. So guys, I'm gonna lay her right here. Then we're gonna get into the drills. Sorry for the crinkling. So like I said, DAC is getting used to having Inscriero as square kits because I'm all for it. Here's your gorgeous white. A little bit of baby blue. This one has a little bit more of a, what's the word I'm looking for? Better palette. And here are your square rhinestones. L820. Aren't those stunning? I love that they included an orange AB in this one. Because guys, you already know where this goes. We have one more AB, which is a blue. I'm so curious to see how not a lot. And then we have our Z crystal. Which is what? A very light color. So which, to be honest, I'm very impressed with the color they chose. So we're going to try to get you in the viewfinder. Oh my God. They are making me happy with these colors. So Button Eye is moving a little bit quicker now. So, guys, look at all these ABs you get. So I'm gonna try to zoom you in. So here's your two really special drills. So you get 4 ABs. So these blues are going to be within the dress, as well as these crystals. These 3 colors here are going to be involved in the dress. As well, if I'm not mistaken, the woods background. Like this is all white AB, which is nice. I'm happy. These two colors, they're going to be doing a lot of touches in the woods. And of course, your oranges for highlighting the pumpkins. Then your Z crystal, guys, is also here, which is going to be nice. Sorry about that, guys. Roll this back up. Put those there. I am so happy I'm getting the Halloween images, guys. I love it. So, guys, we're going to tuck this away. I kind of roll it back up as I unboxed it. Because it just makes it so much easier. So guys, with that being said, love yourself, love each other, guys. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget to donate to my channel if you want to see more content. So have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.